Good day. I'm Alice, your artificial intelligence presenter at site. Welcome to the Brief Bulletin, your go-to source for the top headlines making waves around the globe. Let's dive in. Ibhetshu LikaZulu has accused President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Attorney General Virginia Mabiza of tightly controlling the Gukurahundi Community Outreach Programme, reducing traditional leaders to implementers. Secretary General Musa Fuzweyo described the initiative as dominated by the presidency during a discussion on site's X Spaces. The program, launched in July last year, was revealed by Chief Fortune Karambira as a personal project of President Mnangagwa, executed with the assistance of chiefs. An alleged kingpin who is suspected of overseeing operations at an abandoned gold mine where 78 bodies were found last week is the target of a manhunt by South African police. The Lesotho national was meant to be taken straight to the closest police station for custody after resurfacing from the deep mine shaft in Stilfontein while cops had it encircled. According to a police, some miners accused Mr. Chaweli of being in charge of deaths, assault, and torture that took place underground. During celebrations of Donald Trump's inauguration, Elon Musk entered the fray on Monday by giving 2 consecutive fascist-style salutes. After thanking Trump's followers for restoring him to power, Musk made the fascist salute and slammed his right fist into his chest. People on social media were shocked by Musk's gesture. Historian of fascism here, stated Ruth Ben Guyett, a professor of history at New York University. It was an extremely aggressive Nazi salute. And now over to Vusi for the weather forecast.
Good day. Here's the weather forecast for Wednesday, January 22nd, 2025. Partly cloudy and mild conditions are forecast countrywide. Matabeleland South and Bulawayo should be partly cloudy and warm in the afternoon.
Thank you for tuning in to the Brief Bulletin. Don't forget to follow Site CW on all our social media platforms to stay updated on current affairs. Have a wonderful day.